Hi children, welcome everyone to today's math session. Children, let us recall what we have learned in our previous class. Children, what did we learn in our previous class? Yes, we learned prime and composite numbers. Children, what are prime numbers? Yes, the numbers which have only two factors are called prime numbers. That is number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. are called prime numbers. These numbers have only two factors, one and the number itself. What are composite numbers? Yes, the numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. So, the numbers 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, etc. are called composite numbers. They have more than two factors. What about the number 1? Yes, the number 1 has only one factor, that is 1. So, number 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. Children, instead of writing the factors of each and every number like this, there is an easier method. Without actually checking the factors of a number, we can find prime numbers from 1 to 100 with an easier method. This method was given by a Greek mathematician Eratosthenes. So, this method is called the sieve of Eratosthenes. Children, what is meant by sieve? Yes, sieve means filter. So children, using this method, that is sieve of Eratosthenes, we can separate the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Children, it is an easy method. Let us see the method. First, we have to draw a table like this. There are 10 columns and 10 rows. We can write down the numbers from 1 to 100 in it. You see children, the numbers from 1 to 100 are placed in the table. The first number in this table is number 1. We cross out number 1. Children, do you know why we crossed out this number 1? Yes, you are right. Number 1 is not a prime number, so we cross out number 1. Children, what is the next number in this table? Yes, it is number 2. So, we encircle number 2. Then we cross out all the multiples of 2 other than 2. 2 is the first multiple, it is encircled. So we cross out the multiple of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, etc. Children, now we have crossed out all the multiples of 2 in this table. Children, let us move on to the next step. What is the next number in this table? Yes, it is number 3. So we encircle number 3. Children, what is the next step? Yes, we cross out all the multiples of 3 other than 3. 6 is a multiple of 3, but it is already crossed out because it was a multiple of 2 also. So now we cross out 9. Then what is the next multiple? Yes, it is 12. It is already crossed out. Now we cross out the other multiples. Number 15. Then number 18. And cross out all the multiples of 3 in this table. Children, we search all the multiples of 3 in this table and we cross out them. Now we have crossed out all the multiples of 3 in this table. Children, what is the next uncrossed number in this table? Yes, it is number 5. So, we encircle number 5. Then we cross out all the multiples of 5 other than 5 in this table. Multiples of 5 are 10. 10 is already crossed out. Then 15. 15 is already crossed out. It is a multiple of 3. Then 20, 25, So, like this we cross out all the multiples of 5. Children, here what is the next uncrossed number? Yes, it is number 7. So we encircle number 7. Here 6 is the number which comes after 5, but it is actually crossed out. So we encircle number 7 and cross out its multiples other than 7. So what are multiples of 7? Yes, 14. We have to cross out number 14, but it is already crossed out. Then the next multiple is 21, but 21 is already crossed out and we continue this process. What is the next uncrossed number after 7? Yes, here 8 is crossed out, 9 is crossed out and 10 is crossed out. So the next uncrossed number is number 11. So we encircle number 11. Then what is the next step? Yes, here 11 is crossed out. Then the next step is we cross out the multiples of 11 except 11. What are the multiples of 11? Yes, 22 is crossed out. 33, 44. Okay. Children, what is the next step? Yes, we encircle the next uncrossed number. Here, the next number is 12, but it is already crossed out, so we encircle 13. Then we cross out all the multiples of 13. Then the next uncrossed number is 17. So encircle 17 and cross out all the multiples of 17 except 17. Continue this process till all the numbers in the list are either encircled or crossed out. Children, here all the encircled numbers are prime numbers. And except one, all the crossed out numbers are composite numbers. So children, here what are prime numbers? Yes, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97 are prime numbers. Children, all the crossed out numbers are called composite numbers. So, the composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, etc. Children, now let us see some number patterns. You are given a number pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. Do you observe any pattern in the numbers? Yes, you are right. Each of them is a multiple of 2. These are called even numbers. Children, we say that a number with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at the ones place is an even number. The rest of the numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. are called odd numbers. Now let us find some interesting facts. Children, which is the smallest even number? Yes, it is 2. Which is the smallest prime number? Yes, it is again 2. Thus, we can say that 2 is the smallest prime number which is even. Children, the other prime numbers are 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. Do you find any even number in this list? Of course not. They are all odd. So children, we can say that every prime number except 2 is odd. Children, if we observe the prime numbers, we can see that 2 is the only even prime number. All other prime numbers are odd. Children, let me ask you a question to check your understanding. Can we say that all odd numbers are prime numbers? Yes, you are right. All odd numbers are not prime numbers. For example, if we take number 9, it is an odd number. What are the factors of 9? Yes, the factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. It has three factors. So it is not a prime number, but it is an odd number. Let us take another example. 15 is an odd number, but it is not a prime number because the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. It has four factors. So 15 is not a prime number. So children, you keep in mind all odd numbers are not prime numbers, but all prime numbers except 2 are odd numbers. Children, you have to try this in your notebook. First, you have to draw a table with 10 columns and 10 rows. Then you use the sieve of Eratosthenes to find the prime numbers. Then all the encircled numbers are prime numbers and all the crossed out numbers except one are composite numbers. Children, what is the smallest prime number? Yes, number 2 is the smallest prime number. What is the smallest composite number? Yes, number 4 is the smallest composite number. Which number is neither a prime nor a composite? Yes, number 1 is neither a prime nor a composite. Children, that's all for today. We will meet again in our next session. Thank you.